Hi, it's Nick Astor with TriplePundit.com. I'm at the Fortune Brainstorm Green 2013 conference, and I'm here with Kirsty Strandquist, and she is the Senior VP of Corporate Responsibility at SCA. Kirsty, can you tell us a little bit about what you do, just so folks have a little bit of background on SCA, and then we have some interesting questions about selling sustainability to the senior management.
Hi there. So SCA is a company, global, working in more than 100 countries across the world. We're about 37,000 employees. And you would find us in the US here with the brands TENA for incontinence care products and for Tork, which is then in the tissue products range. So we work with forest products and hygiene products globally.
Excellent. Now, we talked a little bit about the challenges that it takes to convince folks that sustainability is a good idea, and particularly making the business case for it. Have you experienced this, and how have you approached the issue?
I think when it comes to making business cases, we're business people. We know that we always make things fly financially. So if we look at the big investments that we need to do sometimes in our big factories, in our big mills, it's to try and understand where do we make the cost saves and how do we see that this is a sustainable development over time. So for example, we're replacing fossil fuel across our operations with biofuel, which is a rest product from our forest operations. So by doing this, we're able to save quite a bit of money when it comes to buying the fuel, but we're also able to save money when it comes to chemicals and maintenance and become self-sufficient in our energy operations, which is a great thing. In other cases, it could be a little bit less obvious. For example, we have with our Tork brand, we're working with dispensers, which is something.
And Tork is a brand of commercial napkins.
Yes, that's right. So you would typically find this as small dispensers and fast food restaurants. You would find it in bathrooms, etc. But what really happened some 10 years ago, that was that we wanted to make a development that would help our customers win in terms of resource efficiency and cost saving. So we come up with a new dispenser helping us to promise our customers to save 25% of their consumption of napkins. Now you would wonder, why would you ever want to do that if you sell napkins? Well, really, if you think about it, it's a great way for us to position our brand as becoming a sustainable and resource-efficient product, and it really works because we gain market share, we expand our offer, even though you would think that, you know, the revenue per customer is a bit smaller, we have lots more customers. And at the same time, we help them develop their sustainability position, make their efforts when it comes to become more resource efficient, and it helps us to build our brand.
That's a great story. It's sort of counterintuitive. The customer is actually spending less money. There's less material being used, less material being wasted, and it's ultimately good for you in the long run. Kirsty, thanks very much for sharing this story with us, and enjoy your time here.